Hey everybody, West Coast Johnny, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by. So remember the boat? I did a makeover on a 1967 14-foot aluminum Starcraft seafarer boat, and I actually never took it out on the water or anything since the whole thing was redone, trailer and all. So a couple people have been asking me, hey, how's the boat? How's the boat? And so I decided, you know what, I really do want to take it out. So what I did is I went and got it out of my lot, brought it here. I'm washing it really nice. I put a different outboard motor on the back, and I just want to take it out. We'll test it. So let me show you what I'm doing. Follow me. Okay, well, if you remember, here's what it looks like. We did the two-tone green, redid the trailer really nice, and I see I got it registered, it's expired. We got the mahogany seats, and right now I'm going to run a Mercury 25 horsepower motor, and it's got the little whale tail on it, which is nice. I have to hook up a battery in here. So first thing we're gonna do is wash this. I can't believe how dirty this thing got. Yeah, it's gonna give it a good wash. Oh, spider webs, jeez. I think they're Black Widow. Yeah, they are. Great. Okay. Another thing I need to do, I'm going to repolish this really nice. This is the original plug. And see that little brass ring at the bottom? There's like a hole in it right there that's moving. This chain goes into it. And then this just gets attached to the transom so that you can't accidentally like lose your plug. So we're going to put that on. We got the seats nice and clean. Then we're going to put the Bimini top on I picked up yesterday. Okay, I have a Bimini top I'm going to put on. I really love this color. It's like this orangish brown. I found this whole thing on Craigslist, pretty cheap, and I went and bought it, but it was missing the hardware, so I went to West Marine here in San Diego and bought some stuff, and now I'm going to try to figure out how this goes. Bought some stainless screws, some dead eyes, and some it's a deck hinge. So I wanted to get stainless in all this, but they only had one of these in stainless, and so I just got all. I wanted it to at least match, but eventually I might replace it with stainless. But we're going to put this stuff on right now. Well, I can't get my motor to start. It has new spark plugs, it has fresh premium fuel. So the only thing I can think of, it's either not getting spark or it's not getting fuel. So we're taking it down to Sunset Marine in San Diego. My buddy Joe works there, and they're gonna fix it for me. And here it is in the back of the car, bringing the tank. There's the motor. It's just sitting back here, and we're gonna go drop it off.
Stand here. You got the top, I got lower. Okay. That's not too bad. There we go. Perfect. Yay! Oh, happy day. There we go. Perfect. These are great.
Yeah.
For some reason, and you were right. Look,
What's
there's a
that?
little.
Oh yeah, kill
but
switch. That's your kill button.
It's not doing anything. You think
Right, right.
It's
Maybe the switch is bad, and
That could be what
it's
the
always
problem is.
trying to, you know, that's something that they'll check. Yes.
Here it is. It's sitting there. It's going to get worked on. Look at all these motors.
Serial number on.
Okay, well, while the motor's getting fixed in the shop, I just wanted to make a quick video. I want to show you the Bimini Top installed. Now, to me, it looks like it's leaning too far down, so I'm going to have to adjust something. I never had a Bimini Top, but I'm assuming they should be as level as possible. So we got that, okay, and then here's the seats. Oh, check this out. This rope, I think it's like a nylon, whatever kind of rope this is, right? 12 months, and it just broke right. It's instantly, boop. As soon as I went to tighten this a little bit, just broke in half. After only 12 months in the sun, it completely, see that? You could just pull that apart with your fingers. It turned white. So we're gonna go to West Marine and just get some nice rope. And then we figured out a few spots got missed with the spar varnish. As you can see that raw wood? I'd never noticed that. So I'm gonna have to do a light sand. We're gonna put some more spar varnish on these mahogany seats. And then we're gonna readjust the Bimini Top, make it more level. And then when our motor gets back, we're gonna hook it up, chain it up, and we're gonna take this thing to some lakes. Now I gotta put these in. I gotta drill some holes. So I'm gonna do that probably in the morning. And other than that, I gotta register it too. See, it expired. Boats go every 2 years, so I need a 23 sticker. And other than that, we should be able to go take this thing racing around one of the lakes here in San Diego County. So we'll find one, and maybe we'll do some fishing. All right. Well, hey everybody, thanks for watching this episode. I'm going to end it here because until I get that motor, there's really nothing else I can do. So we're going to get the motor in 2 weeks. We're going to take it out on the lake and go fishing and stuff. So I want to thank all my new subscribers. If you have any questions or you want to leave a comment, please do. All right, everybody, I'll talk to you later.